What up? Muscle up. Big Hurt 916. I just pulled up to my mechanic shop. About to pick up the wig splitter Porsche. It's been here since, what is this? It's March? It's been here since January, man. A lot of little things needed attention, so I had a list of stuff, and I'm about to do the test drive now to see how the car drives. Fingers crossed, you guys, so I can take the car home and put some miles on it before I do a road trip from Arizona to Los Angeles. So I'm in the wig splitter Porsche doing the test drive, and so far the car is driving beautifully. Smooth. The sniper the system is learning. The only thing I still got to fix is the AC compressor. The AC blows out cold, but the clutch is not right. It's making a noise when I turn it up, so I can't ride around like that. I'm gonna put the window up so you can hear me a little better. So yeah, the car is not overheating. It's driving nice. It's smooth. Doesn't look like the tranny's heating up. The brakes aren't squeaking. The blinkers are working now. And yeah, man, it is pretty much ready to go, except for getting this AC dialed in so I could drive the car to California, because I can't drive from Arizona to California with no AC. I gotta have AC in all my cars, and this car right now has no AC. It has AC, but the compressor is making some crazy noise, and from what I understand, it's because the compressor is a remanufactured compressor. So you never want to have a remanufactured compressor when you get a compressor. But a lot of these companies now sell remanufactured compressors because that's what they do. And then they warranty them, and you got to keep sending them back. But this car has been, man, I'll tell you, man, 8 years in the making, being screwed over by multiple mechanics. Finally met some good people out here in Arizona, and they got their car running, and man, I'm excited to finally be driving the car and have it on the road. So stay tuned, man. I'm gonna do a lot of videos on this car. It's about to rock the internet. Widebody 928 with a Chevy 350 and a Sniper EFI setup, and custom interior, custom wide body kit, everything custom. You know how we do it over here. Muscleup Car Lifestyle. Subscribe, share the channel, and I'll add to this video too. I'll let you guys get another peek at the interior and then pop the hood for you. But yeah, man, finally driving the car. Porsche made it home, and didn't overheat, didn't break down. That's a great sign. There is no leaks underneath the car. No fluids dripping down. Man, looking so pretty. Woo, wig splitter Porsche. Now I have to take her back to the paint shop and have them touch up a few spots that wasn't touched up before, because once I got the car back here to Arizona, I noticed a few spots that needed touching up. So I'm gonna have him touch that up, and I need to go through here and detail the interior. But you look at that interior, that leather, got that leather and that Alcantara headliner. Yeah, got that leather all the way around there. And that's Mercedes carpets. Yep, Mercedes carpets all throughout. Got the 210s back there. You know, I got the beat in that thing. And then I got some speakers in the doors. You can't see them. So yeah. Finally got my baby home, man. I'm telling you, man. Holler at me, man, if you're restoring a car, man. You want to chop it up about what to look for. I've dealt with a lot of shitty people in the car game. Sometimes I think it would have been easier just to go buy something done, but I'm hard-headed and I like custom stuff, so I ended up doing a custom Porsche. And for what I got into this car, I could have probably got something off the shelf, exotic, but hey, man, I'm happy with the end result. I got my Hot Wheel. See these crazy wheels right here? 345 30 20s. You know what kind of lip is on that thing? Woo! You can eat off of that. Yeah, some big tires. And then in the front, what I have up here, I have 245 40 19s. Got the Porsche GT brakes. No rubbing. It was rubbing when I first got it. No rubbing now. And now I have to just replace the AC compressor again, man, because the AC compressor I have on here, the clutch is making a weird noise. Go to the Herc store at bigherc916.com and pick you up a bar of soap so you can wash that ass, or pick you up some Never Settle for Average merch, or some of the Muscleup Car Lifestyle merch. We have hats, Never Settle for Average. Got the Muscleup t-shirts. We also have the Never Settle for Average tank tops. Got the Muscleup Car Lifestyle hoodies. Got the beanie caps. Hey, man, represent. And I know you guys aren't average, so pick you up some swag and step your game up. Hello, I'm Big Herc 916. Contact me for life coaching and motivational speaking. Hello, my name is Big Herc 916, and I'm with the Wash Your Ass Committee, and I'm traveling across America helping people wash their ass and get their booty holes clean. And I have with me here today Wash Your Ass soap, and this one in particular is Butt Naked Scrub, but I also have Festival, Oatmeal Milk and Honey, Jamaican Me Crazy, Monkey Farts, and all these scents smell very good. They will help cleanse your body of funk and also make you feel better about yourself. So if you can go to bigherc916.com, you can pick you up a bar. And my goal is to help America combat funk.